Good morning, everyone. Today we want to discuss here structure of crystalline solids. Before discussion, new point I want to discuss here: crystal lattice and unit cell. What is crystal lattice? First question. So answer is the regular array of building blocks, atoms, ions, or molecules inside the crystalline solid is known as crystal lattice. Constituent particles which exist inside the crystalline solid, that is known as crystal lattice. ये मतलब क्रिस्टल लैटिस जो क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड है उसके अंदर जो एटम साइंस या मॉलिक्यूल्स जो है एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, उनका जो बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स है उसी को हम जो है क्रिस्टल लैटिस कहते हैं। और यहाँ पर जो यूनिट सेल जो है वो स्मॉलेस्ट पार्ट है क्रिस्टल लैटिस का, जो रिपीटेड होता है इन डायरेक्शंस में, जो कि एंटायर क्रिस्टल लैटिस जनरेट करता है, इसको हम यूनिट सेल कहते हैं। तो इस यूनिट सेल में सबसे पहले हम ये जानेंगे कि जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स हैं वो कैसे रिप्रेजेंट किए जाते हैं। तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स जो होते हैं वो जो है स्मॉल स्फीयर से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। अगर हम इनको बात करें तो यहाँ पर स्मॉल स्फीयर से कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, ये देख लेते हैं। तो स्मॉल स्फीयर से हम रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए यहाँ पर एक क्यूब बनाते हैं, जिसको हम यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं। एक क्यूब लेते हैं जिसका जो है स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ करते हैं। ये अगर क्यूब है तो इस क्यूब में जो लैटिस पॉइंट होगा, दिस इज a cube, and here small spheres represented as this one. This one is unit, this one is lattice point. Okay, so how many lattice point here? You calculate now. So this one 4 here and 4 here. 1 2 3 4, and here also 1 2 3 4. So total 4 plus 4 equals to 8. Okay, now next one is, so these are the small spheres. These are known as unit cell, and various lattice are formed variations in the following parameters. What are the variations? First one, edge length. There are edge length, and second one is interfacial angles like alpha, beta, and gamma. These are interfacial angles and location of atoms or ions with respect to each other in crystal lattice. Interfacial angle also discussed in last classes, that is alpha, beta, and gamma. Here it is represented, and A, B, and C is length of the edge, that is along x, y, and z axis in 3-dimensional. And primitive unit cell and Bravais lattice. In all, there are 7 types of unit cells. There can be some subsystem of unit cells. इसमें कुछ सब सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट सेल्स होते हैं। 7 यूनिट सेल्स जो हैं उनको हम प्रिमिटिव यूनिट सेल्स या क्रिस्टल हैबिट्स कहते हैं। फर्स्ट जिसमें फर्स्ट आपका क्यूबिक है, सेकंड टेट्रागोनल, थर्ड ऑर्थोरोम्बिक, फोर्थ मोनोक्लिनिक, फिफ्थ हेक्सागोनल, फिफ्थ सिक्स्थ रोम्बोहेड्रल, एंड सेवेंथ इज ट्राइक्लिनिक. So axial distance, all axis regarding x, y, z axis, these edge length always equal, and angles also equal 90 degree. Examples are copper zinc blend, potassium chloride. And tetragonal, when one edge length not equal and other two are equal, and angles are same conditions like cubic system. In cubic system 90 degree, alpha, beta, gamma, this is 90 degree. And here examples we can say that stannous white tin, and this one is stannous oxide, titanium oxide. These are the uh, examples of tetragonal. Orthorhombic, in which edge lengths are not equal but angles are equal. It means alpha and beta and gamma all are equal. A 90 degree rhombic sulfur and calcium carbonate is examples of the orthorhombic crystal. Monoclinic monoclinic is one of the system in which edge lengths not equal and two angles alpha and gamma are equal 90 degree and beta not equals to 90 degree. This is examples are monoclinic sulfur and lead chromate. These are the examples of monoclinic. Hexagonal a is length 1 a equals to b but b not equals to c. Alpha and beta these are equals 90 degree and gamma 120 degree. Graphite and zinc oxide these are the examples of hexagonal, whereas rhombohedral all edge length are equal, alpha and beta also equal but gamma not equals to 90 degree. That is calcite is examples of the calcite, basically calcium carbonate, and cinnabar is basic mercuric sulfide. These are the examples of rhombohedral. Triclinic edge lengths not equal and their angles also not equals to 90 degree. Potassium dichromate, hydrated copper sulfates, these are the examples of triclinic crystal system. Now, 7 types of unit cells and 14 types of lattice exist in nature. These 14 lattices are called Bravais lattice. And now we can see the structure of crystal systems here. Cubic system in which all mm, edge lengths are equal and angles also equal. We see that there are 3 types of the crystal system in which if you can say that this is SC simple cubic lattice system, then 4 points here around the circle, around this space. You can say that 4 and 4, 8. So one cube here, one particular unit cell. Then what happened here? You can say that this one, 1 upon 8 number of atoms. If we calculate, we can calculate then how many number of atoms are there. This one is equals to 1 only in case of simple cubic. And if we are talking about in case of FCC, BCC, then in case of BCC, there is this one BCC structure actually. BCC structure in which these are the 8 constituent particles which are present in the corners of the cube and one at the body center. One at the body center. So 1 by 8 into 8 plus 1 by 2 into this one. So 1 by 2 to 1 at the center. So 1 plus 1 by 2 of the 6 faces. So there are 3. 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Half of the BCC, if each face 1 point, then it will considered as FCC, not BCC. So in this case, 6 faces are there. Then total number of atoms are 4. So let us take another examples. In cubic system, body centered 1 and face centered point at each corner of the uh, body, each corner of the faces, and each faces contains one constituent particles. Center of the faces. Examples are lead, mercury, gold, silver, copper, zinc sulfide. These are examples of the cubic system, tetragonal, in which A's length A1 A's length equal A equals to B, but C not equals. You already discussed this one already discussed in the previous classes, previous टाइम. सिंपल क्यूबिक लैटिस स्ट्रक्चर में अगर हम देखें तो यहाँ पर पॉइंट्स 8 कॉर्नर पर प्रेजेंट रहेंगे. बॉडी सेंटर्ड में एक जो है इसके बॉडी के सेंटर पर प्रेजेंट होगा. तो स्टेनस ऑक्साइड, टाइटेनियम ऑक्साइड, जिंक ऑक्साइड, निकल सल्फेट, जिरकोनियम सिलिकेट. These are the examples of actually tetragonal crystal system. Orthorhombic, rhombic, in which all edge lengths are not equal, whereas angles are equal to 90 degree. These are here also four types of simple space lattice participated. First one is the simple cubic system and centered cubic system. And centered cubic system upper and lower side means these are the base centered. These are also known as base centered cubic cell. So in this case, 8 corners contain eight constituent particles, and one top and another is at bottom, that is end centered cubic cell, and body centered point at each corner and one at the body center. FCC each face, constituent particles present at each face and 8 corner also. Potassium nitrate, potassium sulfate, and lead carbonate, barium sulfate, rhombic sulfur, magnesium sulfate, hydrated magnesium sulfate. These are the examples of orthorhombics. Rhombohedral or trigonal, in this case, simple cubic, you can say the structure of this one, where gamma not equals to 90 degree, alpha and beta are equal, beta also equal to gamma, but gamma not equals to 90 degree. You can say that simply the structure of the rhombohedral or trigonal structure. These are if we are talking about the examples, the sodium nitrate, calcium sulfate, calcite, quartz. These are the examples of rhombohedral or trigonal. Hexagonal, in this case, you can say that the structure 6 points are there at the top and bottom also 6. In this is the same as the structure of prism. Prism and center of top and bottom faces zinc oxide, lead sulfide, cadmium sulfide, mercury sulfide, graphite, magnesium, zinc, cadmium. These are the examples of hexagonal. Whereas in case of monoclinic, edge length not equal, alpha and gamma are equal to 90 degree, but beta not equals to 90 degree. Same case here also. Sodium sulfate, hydrated sodium sulfate, borax, hydrated calcium sulfate. These are the examples of monoclinic. Sulfur also, monoclinic sulfur also. Triclinic, in case of triclinic, edge length and this one also not equal. Angle, interfacial angles not equal. Simple points at each corner of the unit cell. Only one type of the system exists here, that is crystal cubic cell. This one simple unit cubic cell, and this one having uh, this is hydrated calcium sulfate and potassium dichromate. Boric orthoboric acid is also examples of this one. Now let us discuss the cubic unit cells, which is most important term, and this is the most common unit cell. In a cubic unit cell, there are following locations for the atoms or spheres. First one is corners, second body centers, third one is face centers, which already discussed. So what are the contribution of the spheres? In the case of SC, simple corner, simple cubic, in this case corners, atoms, molecules or ions present at the corners. So contribution 1 by 8 and body center 1 and face centered 1 by 2. So these are the examples of cubic unit cells. First one is simple cubic, second body centered cubic unit cell, and third one is face centered cubic unit cells. These are the types of unit cell: in which location of spheres inside the unit cell, rank of unit cell, effective number of spheres inside a unit cell, and age length and radius relations are also there. Packing fractions, efficiency, uh, fraction of volume occupied by sphere in a unit cell, that is also calculated. इन SC सिंपल क्यूबिक सेल 8 कॉर्नर्स हैं, तो इसका अगर हम कैलकुलेट करें तो पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी जो आएगा, पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी 52% होगा, और इसकी एज रेडियस जो होगी R इक्वल्स टू A अपॉन 2। बॉडी सेंटर्ड केस में 8 होगा, वन फेस बॉडी पर होगा, तो रैंक इसका 2 होगा, 68% इसका होगा पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी, एंड रेडियस इज कैलकुलेटेड एज अंडर रूट 3A/4। whereas in case of face-centered cubic cell, these are the 8 corners, 6 faces already present, so rank 4, and this one 74% packing efficiency. The radius is under root 2A/4. Okay, how you can calculate density of cubic crystal cells? So density of cubic crystal is given by the formula, this one, rho equals to mz upon a cube Na, whereas z is equals to rank of unit cells, m is the molar mass of solid, a is age length of unit cell, and Na is Avogadro number. Volume of z will depend upon the type of unit cells. Z का जो वॉल्यूम होगा वो डिपेंड होगा किस टाइप का यूनिट सेल है, सिंपल क्यूबिक सेल है या बेस बॉडी सेंटर्ड क्यूबिक सेल है या फेस सेंटर्ड क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल्स है, उस पर ये डिपेंड करेगा। तो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम इसके डेंसिटी पर न्यूमेरिकल्स जो होंगे उसको हम करेंगे। तब तक के लिए थैंक यू, ऑल द बेस्ट।